Know if you guys seen in your algorithm or in your For You page about the Ambani family. I've been curious about the family since I think 2022 when I watched a video about their $1 billion house. 1 billion in the slums of India. Grabe, yung anak nila, yung pinakabunso, I think pinakabunso yun. Kinasal na ng just recently. I think yung ceremony is nung 12, basta 12, 13, 14. Tapos, grabe, na-invite nila si Rihanna, si Justin Bieber. Tapos yung mother diamante nila na suot-suot. Pwede na yun mag-save ng buhay ko, nakakainis. Haven't seen it? I think you should search it. Panoorin nyo yung mga videos. Kasi grabe, it's so lavish. Sinasabi nila is wedding of the century.